Yo, what's good? So today, as y'all seen in the last video, I did win my trade for $500 today. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna do a trade breakdown so y'all can understand why I took the trade that I took today. And then y'all could, use some of this to win trades on your own. You know what I'm saying? So we are gonna go over, what I seen at market open, what I was looking for, what we got, and then why I executed. So let's go to replay mode. We're gonna go to market open. So before market open, what I was seeing was that we are in a bullish. We look like we're in a bullish trend right now. The VWAP is pointing upwards, which is telling me that okay, price action has been going up, and then as we can see, clear as day right here. We're just continuing higher, bro. Every time we go lower, it fails. Every time we go lower, it fails. Every time we go lower, it fails. So I'm marking up to see now. I gotta mark up my draws of liquidity. I'm looking at the swing highs and the swing lows that we could be displacing towards, right? So I see the swing high right here, and I just start marking them up, right? So now that I have these levels marked up, I want to see what we're gonna do when market opens. Are we gonna displace higher or displace lower? So let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. Cool. All right. So the draws are right here, and this is another draw right here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart right here. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's see what we get when market opens. True displacement. Almost 100-point candle, like a 70-point candle to the upside. That's a good sign, especially for my bullish bias that I have, or my bullish trade idea or narrative that I have for the day. So I want to see what we do when we go take this draw. It's obvious that we want to take this draw. Okay, boom. So we take this draw in 3 candles to the upside, right? We take this draw, but ES at this point, what happens next? All right. So we put in a bearish SMT, right? So we take this draw. We take this draw on NQ. We don't take this draw on ES. So we put in a bearish SMT. So if we're bearish, we will displace lower to these draws down here. If not, then we're bullish, right? So I want to see displacement off of this, right? Well, I want to see bearish displacement off of this to tell me that we are indeed bullish. That we are indeed bearish. If not, then I'm going to think that we're bullish. So we put in this bearish SMT right here, and it looks like it's not holding. We instantly disrespected on ES. We instantly disrespected on NQ right here. So right here, I'm like, all right, we could long it right here. I could take this long right here, right? So like something like this. So we rebalanced in. Look like we're about to, take this long right here. I could have took this 30 points. Well, I should have got a better entry actually. So I could have really took something like this. 30 points right here. But that's not the trade that I took. But now looking back, I could have took that trade, but I wasn't locked in right there. All right, cool. So we go take this draw. Now I want to see what happens once we take this draw. Do we get signs that we want to be bearish, or do we get signs that we want to be bullish? All right. So right here, I want to see an invite of sellers, right? I want to see sellers. I want to see the 95% FOMO into shorts off of this, because we displaced, or actually people are probably FOMOing into longs right here because they see this breakout, they see us displace higher, whatever the case may be. So they see this next draw, they see three candle or two candles past this draw to this draw, looking like we're obviously gonna go take this draw, right? So people are gonna be entering their trades in here. They're gonna be entering their trades in here, probably right here. Most traders are probably taking longs right here. right? So I want to see manipulation of that. All right, cool. So we have the invited sellers. We probably taken out. And we put in a bullish SMT right here too, which I really didn't see during the time, but looking back, it makes sense, right? So right now, I want to see, okay, do we manipulate sellers and continue lower, or do we just continue higher, right? And I'm using this to tell me, okay, this is how I'm gonna get my entry. So I see a pullback, right? But we don't get actually we got manipulation of sellers right here, right? So we got a bearish SMT on ES. We took these highs out, but we didn't get it here, so we put in a bearish SMT. This next candle should flush lower. If it doesn't, I long to the next draw. And that's exactly what happened. So this was my entry right here. As soon as we started engulfing this candle right here, I longed it, because this is not what we want to see for bearish to be bearish. My entry was a little bit better than that. It was like this, like something like this. And then I was targeting this next draw. I was targeting 30 points, but yeah, something like this. Whatever. Right. So this was the entry that I took. And so what happens after that? This is my entry. Next candle continues a little higher. Right. Okay, cool. So we take the draw. We take this draw on NQ, where I really could have got out, but since I seen that we were so close to taking the draw here on S&P 500, I didn't want to. Well, it's not that I didn't want to take it, but it was like I felt like we're gonna go take this. We're gonna go take this draw, but we're too close. Like, you feel me? Like, I just felt like we were gonna go take that draw, right? And I don't know. I could have took out like in an instance where we're not close on the other instrument, like ES is nowhere near close to that draw. I'm gonna TP right here. I'm gonna TP right here at the draw for 20 points. But since we weren't, and you feel me, it was just like, bro, we're close right here. I feel like we're gonna take it. We might invite sellers again and then go back up and take this draw. So I held it right here. I was kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Like, in the recording, I was like, yo, I feel like I was gonna lose. I thought I was gonna lose, bro. Definitely thought I was gonna lose. Next candle starts displacing lower. At this point, I'm in drawdown, bro. I'm like, yo, damn, I'm about to lose this trade. I'm starting to think like, damn, I should have just took right here. And that's probably the most consistent thing that I could do. Just take my small wins. You feel me? But you know, with the narrative that the last bearish SMT did fail, and we're just getting true displacement to the upside, I'm still pretty confident that we're gonna, continue to. I'm gonna get my full TP, and ES is gonna take this draw. So what happens next? Okay, so we're getting really close to this. So now we're getting really close to this draw on ES. I'm still in my trade, I think, and then I tell myself, as you can see in the recording, as soon as we take this draw, I'm getting out. Like, it's not at this point, it's not guaranteed that we're gonna go any higher once we take this draw. The draw of liquidity has been taken on both instruments, so it's like, all right, I'm just gonna take what I got. You feel me? Even if I didn't get my full TP, I'm gonna take my win. So I'm saying. So then on this next candle, we hit this. Oh wait. Huh? Am I tripping? I think my thing off. Oh yeah, my joint off. I'm like, wait, what? Right here. Alright, yeah, so my fault about that, chat. So yeah, so we took this draw on this candle, and this is when I got out. I caught like 26 points, something like that. Like 25, 26 points. So yeah, that was my trade for the day. Let me know what y'all think about this. What y'all think about this trade? Is this just leave in the comments what trade you took today, if you won or lost. You feel me? So yeah, that's my trade breakdown. I'm gonna start doing more of these, more trade breakdowns, and if I win or I lose, I'm gonna just tell y'all what I seen, what I could have did better, or what I did good. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. Appreciate y'all for watching. Feel me? Give me a like, give me a share, give me a comment. You feel me? Support this video, and we're gonna keep coming back with more vids in the future.